Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Google Bard AI with Clickbank to make money online. The first thing you will need to do is go onto bard.google.com and you can sign up for completely free using your email address. This is the latest AI software and it was released by Google, and the beautiful thing about this compared to ChatGPT is Google Bard is very up to date, as with ChatGPT the latest informational update that it has is up to 2021. So that means that it doesn't know any information beyond that. So all you'll need to do now, once you're signed up, all you'll need to do is go onto Clickbank. And Clickbank is a platform that you can go on to find numerous affiliate offers. And making money as an affiliate online is one of the easiest or best ways to do some passive income. As by going onto Clickbank, you can sign up using your email address again, and Clickbank is available worldwide. Once you're signed up to Clickbank, you're going to tap right where you see Affiliate Marketplace in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can see the different categories at the top right here, so you can choose any one of these categories. But for this example's sake, I will be choosing cooking, food and wine. But again, you can use the same theme that I'm about to show you with any one of these categories. All you have to do is add your own personal touch. So after choosing cooking, food and wine, I can scroll down and I'll see the different products, and all I have to do is scroll through until I see a product that I like, and I see that on average I'll be able to make $12 per sale. So to get the affiliate link, all I would have to do is tap right where you see promote, and from there I'll get my affiliate link. But before doing that, I'm going to tap on the link right here to see how the landing page looks and what the product is all about. So you can see how the landing page looks right here, and you can also read about the product. After doing that, what I want you to do next is go onto Google Bard. So I went onto Google Bard and I typed in what are 10 benefits of a plant-based diet for people over 50 years old. And you can see what it came up with right here. So all I have to do is scroll down and you can read the information that it came up with. And if you like it, all you have to do now is copy it. And what I would recommend you do is scroll down and tap on the three dots right here. Then you're going to tap on copy. Once you have copied it, we're going to go onto Pictory.ai, and Pictory is a platform that you can sign up on for completely free. You can sign up on for completely free, and you'll be able to use this AI platform to create a video. So all you'll need to do is simply paste the text that you have copied from Bard AI, and it will be able to create a video for you. You can use it to create videos for any social media platform, but the platform that I would recommend that you use is YouTube. And the reason why I recommend YouTube is because YouTube is the most popular search engine around, and by doing this you will be able to easily rank your YouTube videos, and you'll be able to get search or better yet views to your affiliate link consistently without doing any work after posting the video. For example, if I were to go onto youtube.com, type in the search bar plant-based diet, I can see numerous YouTube videos idea right here. As you can see, plant-based diet for bodybuilders, plant-based diet for hormone balance, plant-based diet and kidney disease. So all you would have to do is go onto Google Bard and you could type in these keywords right here, and you could create a video around each keyword. And after creating the video, all you'll do is put your affiliate link from this offer in the description. And once persons go onto your YouTube video, watches it and gets information, they will click on your affiliate link to get the cookbook, and once they purchase the cookbook, you'll be able to get a commission. But now that you have seen the full plan, let me show you how to create a video using Pictory. And by the way, if you want to sign up to Pictory, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started. So once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this platform, and all you have to do is tap where you see proceed, right where you see script to video. After you have done that, you are going to tap on paste from clipboard, and it is going to place the information that you have copied from Google Bard. As you can see right here, directed to this page, and these are different templates that you can use to create your YouTube video. So it all depends on the look that you want your YouTube video to have. So whether you would like it like this or like this, any one of these you can choose. But for this example, I'll be using this one right here, the red ink icon. So I'm going to tap on red ink. Then I'm going to be using 16:9 ratio since I'm doing a YouTube video. And you're going to give it a few minutes. Meanwhile, it turns your script into a video. And meanwhile it is doing that, what I would recommend you do is go onto canva.com. And canva.com is another platform that you can sign up on for completely free. And we'll be using Canva to create our thumbnail. So all you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, sign up using your email address. Then in the search bar, you're going to type in YouTube thumbnail. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can see numerous YouTube thumbnail ideas that you can choose from. And all you have to do is tap on one of these templates. Once you have tapped on the template, all you'll have to do now is add your own personal touch. For example, you can change the text and add in your video title. If you would like to change the background color or so on, you can also do that. And then you'll be able to upload your video. But let's go back onto Pictory and see how far the progress is. Okay, as you can see, the video is still loading up, but once the video has loaded up, all you'll need to do is upload the video onto YouTube, and you are going to also add the thumbnail. And as I said earlier, I would recommend that you create a video on each one of these topics right here, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.